Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 of Cooking with Ash, hashtag 5 for 25. We're doing some corn fritters. Let's go. Corn fritter time. Equipment wise, trusty old frying pan again. That's it. Ingredients. We've got some tomatoes we've quartered, some chilli we've deseeded and sliced, some spring onions, some mint, lime, some Piri Piri seasoning, corn, leaves, 180 grams of self-raising flour. Hopefully you got that in the cupboard. If you've got plain flour, that's gonna work fine as well. And some water. Let's get it made. So in this bowl, we have sweet corn, 1.5 tins. We saved some for our rice and pea dish. Some spring onion sliced, mint and chili. To that, a Piri Piri seasoning. We're just gonna give it a little bit of umami, a couple tablespoons. 180 grams self-raising flour, like I said. Plain flour, if you've got it's fine. I'm gonna start by adding a couple hundred grams, couple hundred mil of water to bind it. And like other times, you can always add a bit more, can't take it away once it's done. Just get in there and give it a good mix. And what you should be left with is this really nice thick batter. Add a little more water to that. We're looking for a sort of consistency like thick double cream. Let's give that a really good season. Plenty of salt and pepper in this one. And there we go. Corn fritter mix is made. We're gonna put that to the side. We're just gonna put together our salsa. In this bowl here, we have half a punnet of tomatoes that have been quartered, our chili, spring onion, and mint again. To that, we're gonna add half the juice of a lime. A good pinch of salt and pepper. And a tablespoon or so of oil. I'm just gonna give that a good mix up. And this is a really nice, simple, fresh salsa. If you've got some cucumbers, you can chuck it in there, that'd be nice. A bit of mango, nice, pineapple, anything like that. And that's all done. So we're gonna put that to the side and start cooking our fritters. So, pan's on medium heat, good splash of oil. Looking at about 3 little ones per portion. Take a ladle, drop them in. Might be able to get away with 4 potentially. And we're just looking like little pancake sizes, all right? On medium heat until they start bubbling. You can see they're browned around the edges. Then we'll give them a little flip. Okay, so our fritters are done. I'm just going to take them over, pop them on the plate. Sorry, Christopher. So as I said, 3 is quite nice. You can do 4, a few more for dad, a couple less for kids. Got our salsa. Nice tablespoon of that on there. We're running low on lime, so we're going 1/4. Some of our leaves. And there we go. Don't tell anyone again, that's secretly another vegan delight. Camera boy's gonna be happy today. So that's it, corn fritters with tomato salsa, lime and leaves. Time to tuck in. everything on there. That is awesome. Good heat on the fritters, nice sweet corn, nice salsa, good acidity. It's a winner. It's a winner, not a chicken dinner. Oh God, I'm literally hilarious. Next episode, we're doing dinner and we're doing ourselves a cauliflower steak with rice and peas. Catch you soon.